is Matt, and you are on the Moto Gone Mini channel. Today, we don't really have a topic to talk about or anything going on, but I got bored and now I'm on the bike, so here we are. Let's start the video. So from looking back at some of the previous videos I made, I've realized I haven't really had too much fun on this bike. I've had fun on it because I've been on two wheels, but I've just been running pretty calmly and talking and very distracted, so we gotta change something about that. It is also a pretty gloomy day here in Illinois. It was raining all day yesterday, and now the clouds are still out and it's still a little wet, but not terrible. I'm really bored of going 30 miles an hour. But guys, this bike is running beautifully now. I'm just rolling over 30,900 miles right now, which doesn't really mean much, but it's kind of cool. I need to take you guys this way sometime. There's some cool road, not for Illinois standards, there's some cool roads. Yep. Let's go 40 miles an hour, 55. That sounds great. I don't know why it's running so nice, but it is, and I'm happy about it. It's just loving the cold weather right now. I don't know why. You know, I'm not loving though. It's just light because it's not going to detect me. Oh, it detected me. Ah. What the f*** off? You know what? Fine. State statute lets me do that. So in today's video, we don't have a topic. We're just gonna see how this goes. We're just gonna ride around, have some fun, and explore the world that I've seen thousands of times because I'm in my own town. But yeah, from looking back at some of the other videos, I haven't really seen myself have fun, like actually ride kind of quick and stuff like that and turn quick and whatnot a while. I've just been talking and ooh, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Are they going? Oh god. Oh my god! I don't know if you guys noticed that. Wow! That kind of worried me a little bit. So I just thought it was wet out, right? Guess I'm right. Shouldn't from first to second, the little back of it just kind of boop, skipped out a little bit. Could be because it's wet. Those girls back there trying to cross the street though, they screamed when the car was turning into them. It's like, yeah, you didn't have the right way to go. Learn the world, girl. Maybe I shouldn't ride right now. It's not the best conditions. But it's fun. Hey, I was right here in a previous video. Guys, my bike, I don't know why, it's running very nice. I'm happy with it. Anyone want to buy it? Buy it while it's running nice. I'll sell it to you. But that is my plan, guys. I'm gonna try to sell this bike. I don't know if it's gonna be this season. It's probably gonna be next season. But I just got it running pretty nice. With the exception of the oil leak, which I'm gonna fix real quick. Just a gasket. But it is running really nice compared to what it used to. It idles at stoplights fine. It rides like a bike. It's ride like it's supposed to. If anyone wants it, you can have it. I love the little backfires and stuff too. I wish I lived in a better area, because around here, it's not a bad area. There's not a lot of crime or anything, but there's not a lot of fun roads. Oh, speed limit. I mean, speed limit here is 30. This is also kind of a neighborhood, so I get it, but but we don't have mountain roads. We don't really have a lot of twisties. We just have straight roads that run north, south, east, west. That's it. Welcome to Illinois. Maybe one of these days, I think what I should do is take you guys up to Galena, Illinois. which is like kind of a cool area. We have some, not mountains, but we have some hills up there. We got some cool roads, and it's a cool old town. It's kind of scenic. I think might go up there. It's only a few hours away from me, but maybe we'll make a trip out it. Bring me and a couple buddies worth on bikes and we'll ride. We'll see. We'll see. If anyone's interested in that, let me know. Yeah, that's just cut in front of me. And no big deal, right? Cut in front of traffic. Yeah, they're staying back there now. I'm a big tough boy on a motorcycle. Be afraid. Fear me! Yeah, it's kind of funny too. They're probably in that car back there because they're almost back up on me now. They're like, oh, you got really angry because I came in front of you. But guess what? We're still at the same light. Yeah, but off you. Oh, shit. I have not stalled in a while, guys. What the f? That's embarrassing. Now I'm really a dick to that person. I cut him off. Stall to wait. It's alright. Tries to be one of those YouTubers who just complains about traffic all the time now. Is that what I should do to get content? What are you doing? Going 50 at a 35? What the fuck? Your signal's on too early. Yeah. Millions of views. Guys, this video is nothing. I'm so sorry. This is just such a dumb video of me messing around doing absolutely nothing, being weird to myself because I was in my house all day till 2 p.m. The drowsy day, I was just waiting for it to dry up a little bit outside. And I got to go get my check from work, but it's not there yet because, you know, USPS is like, nah, we're going to deliver mail at 5 p.m. now. We used to do it at like 8 in the morning, but nah. I gotta see what time it is. I gotta go up to my girlfriend's house. She's gonna be angry. I got 10 minutes to burn. I'm on a motorcycle. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go sit at a park. That's what you do, right? When you got 10 minutes to burn. I already burned 30 on the bike. You know what? I won't sit at a park. I think there's a little thing down here I can sit at. Yeah. Why not? This is a sport bike, not a supermoto, but maybe it could be what I want it to be. There we go. Look at me being cool. I need to get me a supermoto. That seems so fun. Just doing little things. Like, if I really wanted to, I mean, I can on this bike. But honestly, I don't think I'm comfortable enough to do it. But I could seriously just go straight there to the sidewalk, jump on the road, and go through here and do whatever. And this isn't considered, I mean, it's off-roading, but it's not, you know, off-roading. But I could find some little stuff to get myself into some trouble. That'd be fun. Trouble's always fun, isn't it? It's exciting. Alright, let's go back. It's kind of funny, there's people up there and they have the car like facing me and they're just looking right at me. It's alright. I think I'll go this way. Yeah, that's a much better idea. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. My name is Matt from Modular Mini. I upload videos on this channel at least twice a week. This was a totally random video. I normally do different stuff. I normally do different stories and stuff like that I'll tell you guys about that happened in my life. If you guys enjoyed this at all, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
I keep saying I'ma change. I'm 22 now, it's time to fucking act my